Well, good morning, everybody from Luxembourg. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the junta for still being around, and thank you for asking me about my Agile journey during the past decade. I'm glad to see that we're all somewhat relevant, and that I'm sorry that I can't be with you. This video is Plan B. I travel quite a bit these days through Europe, Middle East, and the Asian region, and I hear the term Agile pretty much all the time. And more recently, it's the Agile mindset, which seems to be talked about in a la mode. Agile thinking is clearly rising up the corporate hierarchy, and it's not just something for nerds anymore. This, I think, has a lot to do with the recognition of a very good marriage that exists between market leadership through innovation and Agile's inherent mechanisms for rapid results. So we have seen no shortage of technical innovation. But in the few minutes that I have today, what I would like to talk about is how Agile represents social innovation and the ways, how it's changed the way we collaborate. I think it's changed the way we collaborate in three ways. First of all, it's very inclusive. Secondly, it's results-oriented. And thirdly, I think the social innovation that Agile provides has broader application for creativity all the way up in the hierarchy. So on Agile being inclusive, well, it's come out of the innovation of tools and collaboration infrastructure, and we bring all these tools and aspects together so that we can have distributed multidisciplinary teams. People on projects can have direct input into decision making, estimating and planning, and then we also insist on transparency and daily accountability. So with such rich communications going on, it's no surprise that we've seen good results. And that's a great deal of, and well done, the 17 manifesto signatories. In 2001, they managed to tap into and unleash technical creativity that is both results and usability oriented and fun at the same time. On Agile being results-oriented, I used to wonder about Agile and think, well, maybe it pandered too much to the Gen Xers and the millennials. You know, it was way too instant gratification-oriented. It had too short an attention span, suffered from ADD, and I thought it would last but as long as those faded yellow stickies seemed to. However, Agile has proved to be sufficiently goal and vision-oriented that it has actually managed to span strategic, architectural, enterprise-level views and look into the future to produce stuff. So yeah, we can see that it safely scales, but we can still organize our teams in a way that we maintain that small team neighborhood touch and maintain the pace for rapid build, test, learn culture that we've adapted, built. So thirdly, in terms of Agile's broader applications, that show and adapt aspect is applicable throughout the organization. And I think the focus on risk management, getting things done, and producing results is a very fine mix that can be used into the boardroom. And some of the portfolio management work that we've been doing lately is seeing a kind of an acceptance of that type of thinking. And I think Agile will always be looking for better ways of working, and we will incorporate these ideas. We've seen ideas come in from Lean, Kanban, Kaizen, so any better way of working will keep us relevant and keep us thinking about how we can produce results more effectively. So the textbook for the method, I think, will always stay open. Anyway, so all the best for the next 10 years. I'll post this little thing on my blog, jazzmadher.blogspot.com. These days in Luxembourg, you can find me directly. You just have to ask. It's a small country with about 500,000 people over 50 square miles, 50 by 50 square kilometers actually. It's not difficult to find people. Otherwise, I'll be collaborating with Agile Partner, drawing on Scott Ambler's work on disciplined Agile, and looking to Joanna Rothman for portfolio management ideas. Okay, stay cool, stay well, make something useful, and Eddie, as we say in Luxembourgish. Be well.